Hi, I'm Chelsea Roney, one of the creators of MapsGPT. MapsGPT leverages OpenAI technology to create content for an interactive map. All you need to do is fill out one of the 6 fun Mad Lib prompts located near the top of our site and wait a couple of seconds for your map to generate. Our innovative tool combines the map creation capabilities of proxy maps with OpenAI's cutting-edge technology, making it easy to populate a proxy map with delightful content. Here, I'm filling out one of the History Explorer prompt with historical places from Queen Elizabeth II's reign near London, and then I added in my email address and clicked Build My Map. And here's what I got. It's a fun map that shows different places related to Queen Elizabeth II's reign. When you click on each place, you can see a description of why that place it was important to her reign. And then you can scroll down and click View More Places and scroll through them and then click into each as you're interested. Of course, you can share when you're done and you can make as many as you'd like. So we would love for you to join us and have some fun on MapsGPT exploring the world.